Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be doing the 4G data test, speed test in the Poco X3 smartphone. As you can see right now, I'm using the Poco X3 device, so you can clearly see. And in this video, I'll be doing the 4G data speed test in this device, Poco X3. The Poco X3 has a 4G plus as well, so which is a LTE aggregation, as you can see here. So which gives you the more speeds when you compare with the normal LTE phones. So whenever you see the LTE/A, so that means this is the next version to the 4G signals. So let's see in this 4G test actually the Poco X3 will be beating that mark or not. So right now I'm doing the Poco X3 test in the Melbourne in Australia. So right now I'm here. So here the 4G signals are very so much fast. So usually I used to get the mid-range mobile phones the close to 120 Mbps. So the premium and mobile phones, they'll cross 200 Mbps. So let's see this mid-range segment Poco X3 mobile phone, at what range the 4G signals will be coming. And if you are looking to buy this Poco X3 smartphone, make sure to subscribe to my channel friends, because I'll be doing so many videos in the upcoming days. There are plenty of videos which I have already uploaded on the Poco X3 device. In case if you don't know, try to check the links in description for the playlist. So on each and every smartphone, I'll try to make so many videos as much as possible, so which will give you clear idea whether to buy the phone or not. As you can see here friends, right now I'm doing the 4G data test in the Poco X3 device. So this is a location where every time I'll be doing the 4G data speed test. So at this point I'll be getting very good speed test results in all of my smartphones. In every 4G data speed test in my channel, this is the application which I'll be using, speed test. On the top you can clearly notice the 4G plus sign has been available on the top. You can see internet speed is very fast, that even the application got downloaded and it's installing. So unfortunately I need to be with this kind of ads, so later I'll be disabling those ads as well. So I'll try to make a video as well how to disable the ads. So now let me start the speed test data. As you can see, the SIM card I'm using is the 4G Vodafone in the Poco X3. So right now I'm in the Melbourne, Australia. So as I said, here the 4G signals are very strong and very much higher. The maximum I did record, I think close to 350 or 370 Mbps speed, so which I got in the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and later even I did have the 300 Mbps speed in the Redmi K20 Pro as well. So as you can see, the Poco X3 which has the 4G plus aggregation, and which is also good advantage. So you are getting a very decent score here. So definitely if I see the 4G data more than 150 Mbps, then that's a good score I can consider. So when I compare with the previous mid-range segment mobile phones like the Realme X2 or other smartphones, they do have close to 120 or 110 Mbps speed. So what I will do, I'll try to do the 4G data comparison, Poco X3 versus the Poco X2 side by side at same time, changing the SIM. So you will get a clear idea which phone is faster in that way. So make sure to follow me friends, subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru, don't forget. So definitely I'll be doing so many videos, and I'll be uploading so much of videos every day. So if you have any other queries regarding the smartphone, make sure to comment below. So definitely I'll try to do the test. As you can see, 167 Mbps is the highest recorded 4G data in this 3-time test which I did right now in the Poco X3 smartphone. And for more videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.